Thinkorswim, TradingView, and Webull, three of the most popular platforms used by traders today. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, this breakdown will help you choose the one that fits your needs best. So let's get started with Thinkorswim, developed by TD Ameritrade. That is a powerful trading platform for stock options and futures. It offers advanced trading tools, real-time data, in-depth technical analysis. It is completely free to use, but its complexity might be overwhelming for beginners. It is ideal for experienced traders who need robust tools. Now we have TradingView, that is another app. It is widely recognized as one of the best charting platforms for tracking stocks, crypto, and Forex. Its key features include real-time market data, customizable drawing tools, social sharing for trade ideas. It is user-friendly and suitable for all the experience levels, especially those focused on technical analysis and collaboration. Now we have Webull. It is a commission-free trading app that supports stocks, options, ETFs, and crypto. It includes easy-to-use charting tools, market news, and analysis. Paper trading for practice. Webull is ideal for beginners and mobile traders through customer support can be limited compared to the other platforms. So we can say it is best for beginners and those looking for a clean, commission-free trading experience. But if you require best for charting and social trading community-driven insights, you should choose TradingView. And if you are looking for advanced traders who want to feature tools and real-time data, then Thinkorswim is the best option. Thanks for watching. That's it.